Hakalai pau tarik benai Naiwieng arjara arpulai Myntri Badekmi ekatanat Pule Puthi Ushri Rakkam A Sangma hakajing iohkjat jngoh hakasin ke banyngkong Mairang East and West Khase Hills District ulayo ban pleno saya ke art stream lani ke BA Honours Course hapo ke Mairang Presbytarian Science College ke Badeka College ya ke bala play tang na ke benta ki Samla Pule jong ke Science Stream. Hakini kesngi lawan bansenran lang yo Myntri do advisor jong katanat Pule Puthi ke sorkar Jylla Bah H M Sangpliang nang tau MDC ke Mairang constituency Batskhem Ryntathiang Moderator Mairang Presbytary Tymmen Basan Ryntathiang principal ke college R thank you nonghikai ki kena school lembat ki wede ki bela syakot ngopha. Shushu hakani kesngi nakaliang ke college kelayo ruban pynkum burom ye ki kaptu kat ningut ki Samla Pule ki belepas paha haki eksamen beper jong ki snem bala dep lyngba Myntri katanat ke Pule Puthi. Hakajingkren kumukong san Rakkam A Sangma loong bai kajinglong jingman jong ke school lani ke college kam shimla thau nakajing he jong ke ying school lani ke jingbon jong ki khana Pule Henry kadai nakajingker khu ke bakinong penyat ki laai nak benta ki khana Pule. Ula kenturu ki Samla Pule bekimde ban klet e kerukam tenrai ke bekimi Henry ki de ban kenteu ya ka ban wan ra burom ni ke Jylla Batskhem tam ni ke tenrai Lajong.
I always used to say I studied science from my BSc, from my school time. I've always loved to study mathematics, the science. But I've always loved to become the politician. But I have to turn science too. But I want to become the politician. So people say, on our community used to say, those third class grade students in the many years back, not now, in 30-20 years, in our church, in many of our churches. So if you fail twice, thrice, people advise, why don't you go for the pastor training? This happened. And it is so also, right? It has happened. I don't know. It has happened or not. During many 20-30 years back in our community, in our churches, those failed students used to go for theological students and to come back and become the pastor, which is not correct. We should give to the Almighty the best that we have. And only the people say only the art students can become the MLA and a politician. That struck my mind. I'm worried whether I can become a politician only because I don't study arts. But I'm always love to be a politician. And I am afraid. And after my postgraduate, I searched for the job. And I even cleared my MPSC for the highest lecturer in the high secondary college. But I don't know what happened. My appointment did not get because of not availability of the vacancy. I waited for 1 year, but did not happen. After 1 or 2 years, I went to the MPC and to the directorate. It says, your validity is over. And no chance for me. But I was never disappointed. I kept going, I started serving people. I never expected to become a minister today. But I always love to serve the people and love to the people. Maybe because I want to serve with the best that I have. Maybe this is a blessing from the above. It's like a miracle to me. Therefore today, what I want to tell to my young friends today, there is no boundary to reach the destination that God set for. But we have to struggle. We have to struggle. Therefore today, after coming in new education policy, and this college has taken a step to introduce the humanities department in the college, and to make everybody a multidisciplinary students. By physically, I'm a multidisciplinary student. I do better during my college time, and the third year, I don't know. No, in the third year, we don't have English. If I'm not wrong, we have a men environment. I don't know now it's there, still there. In our college, we never, in a whole year, I never attend, and we never had a men environment class. Whole year. We sat for the exam in the, at the end of the year. What happened? I don't know how I got, but I very much love to read the books here and there. I always love to read different books. But the men environment question is very easy for me. I have scored 85, but I never entered any class, single class in my third year BA. It's my interest. It's my interest. Therefore today, the new education policy has to give you the forum that you can choose any department, any subject. And I'm thankful to this college for understanding the niche of the students. Therefore, this new education policy is coming just to bring up the standard of the knowledge. Knowledge. The house, the power of knowledge. We have many potential students, but not able to produce the best.
He knows how valuable our children are. The children who come out with flying colors in science subjects and math subjects. It is an honor, I must say, to the college, to the management, to the presbytery, and to each and everyone who has a hand in making this college of what it is today. We heard from the principal in his speech about the achievements so far and the goals they have set ahead. Now these goals can be achieved only if the government also comes in to lend a helping hand to the management, which indeed the government is ready. The government is ready to handhold any private institution that is doing well, any private institution that is weak and wants to strengthen. Therefore, under the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Konrad Sangma, who has a lot of vision to bring up the education system in the state, and duly supported again by a very able minister in the hands of Sri Rakkam A Sangma. There is a very strong team in the education department now.